Thank you guys. Thank you. Thank you guys. Thank you. Thank you. Huh?
Hot is
Oh, it's Scotch Bonnet pepper. So I kept, yeah, Scotch Bonnet. Yeah. Yeah.
we already have 4.
Five.
Fine.
Five. Not too sweet. Five. If I had one word to describe it, five.
Fine.
Good for real.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you
It's
guys.
the best.
Thank
It's
you
really
guys.
good too. With this one,
The pineapple.
it's the best one. It's good. Thank you so much.
Thank you guys. Thank you. Have a good one.
We ate all these sandwiches.
All right?